Thank you, have.
Post ground, Meridian 464 Charlie Atlantic with Yankee, ready to copy instruments to Jack Edwards.
Alpha 3.
Okay, cross 35 right, go to Atlantic via Alpha 3 for 92 Hotel Juliet.
Ground 464 Charlie Atlantic, Yankee, ready to copy.
464 Charlie, wide approach ground, runway 35 left, taxi Alpha 3, Alpha 5, cross runway 35 right.
Okay, Alpha 3, Alpha 5, cross, okay to cross, 464 Charlie.
464 Charlie is cleared to the Jack Edwards Airport via the Will Rogers 106 degree radial, 39 mile DME fix, Jack Edwards Airport. On departure, turn right heading 010 for vectors and maintain 3000. Expect flight level 270, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Oklahoma City 124.6, squawk 3652. Over.
Okay, 464 Charlie is clear to Jack Edwards via the IRW 10639 DME, right turn 010 3000, expect flight level 270, 10 minutes after, 124.6, 3652 on the squawk.
Number 64 Charlie, readback is correct, sir, and confirm you have information, Yankee.
Yes, sir, we have Yankee and we're starting our taxi now.
Roger. Air 902 Hotel Juliet, hold short of taxiway Alpha 5, sir.
Hold short of Alpha 5 for Hotel Juliet.
Watch that wing. Watch that cart. I'm clear.
You're clear.
Ground 77 to take 35 left from Alpha 9er.
Runway 35 left, clear for takeoff.
Okay, 15,000 and 35 left, clear for takeoff, 464 Charlie. Everybody ready?
I'm ready. Go to the beach.
Okay, check in, let's roll. Okay, airspeed is alive, everything in the green.
31.
Woo! It's windy. Rotate.
Ooh.
You're up. Flaps up. Hey, coming around to our bearing.
Meridian 464 Charlie, contact departure.
Going to departure, good day, see you Sunday, 464. Good morning, Oklahoma City departure, Meridian 464 Charlie, 18 for 15,000.
Meridian 464 Charlie, Oak City departure, radar contact.
Alright, landing light off. Pulse lights are on. Let's just go to strict taxi lights. We are IMC.
Back to Hotel Sierra, Connect 4, Center 128.4.
28-4, Hotel Sierra, good day.
Meridian 64 Charlie, turn right heading 090. 090, 464 Charlie.
Okay, all this can freeze on us quick, so just keep an eye on your wing.
Alright. You're gonna miss your conference call.
Yeah, I know.
Who is it with?
RSI.
Oh.
They'd be surprised if I'm on it.
Crimson 2, no traffic observed, frequency change approved, report the mist.
Frequency change approved, report the mist. Come to 2.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
It's always pretty when you fly.
This looks like a good
At
dance.
departure, 464 Charlie, we broke out at 4100, and if it helps, our on course is 120. The 64 Charlie, get you on course in just a second. Traffic be climbing out westbound off of Tinker. Thank you.
Hey, buddy.
Meridian 64 Charlie, clear direct destination. Thank you, 464 Charlie.
Okay, we're currently at flight level 270, cruising at 263 knots, crossing ground at 272 knots. We are in zero visibility.
12487, spare wing 667.
We are painting the radar. We have some storm fronts that we're apparently directly above. If you can see down here.
Level 240, American 1658.
Then if we look at the X-rad, NEXRAD, we're pretty close to, so 20 miles in front of us. And again, with the sun, coming out, it looks like we're right on top of it, but still going to be white out.
1766, clear direct finger.
Thank you, Southwest 1766.
Radar is showing that we are okay.
Roger, descend and maintain, flight level 240.
Descend 240, Southwest 1766.
See what the ABS shows.
Hold on just a minute. Southwest 1242, maintain 300 knots.
Okay, we're running 4 flight. We're connected through flight stream
300 knots.
So we're pulling all of our data directly from our GDL antennas. So we have ABS
level 240,
in and out.
American 1658.
We have the same on the
235, Forward Center 132.97.
650s, which are displayed there. So let's see what we can do here. We're going to load our route.
American 1442 or 280.
Just sync to the navigation system. This is a older iPad, so it's a little slow. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
It's getting colder.
Can't be getting colder.
Yeah.
Your heat's coming off from your floor. Reach down with.
It's getting colder.
Well, Forward Center 124.87.
Give it a second. I'm telling you, it's going to cook you.
There's freezing air coming around right here.
There's no S. This is air coming directly off the manifold.
300 knots.
Here.
300 knots, American 2262.
Okay. All right. It's about to get hot in here. You had it on the wrong. It's on the wrong setting.
American 1658.
There's
You can
freezing
maintain
air
300
coming
knots
right here.
now.
Give it a second.
300 knots, American 1658.
Let's get through the storm front, and then I'll jack with it.
American 1658, contact 4 center,
we are pressurized.
2487, American 1658.
November 7 Golf Alpha, now descend and maintain flight level 240.
Descend and maintain 240, November 217 Golf Alpha.
What are you doing, buddy?
Southwest 1766, contact 4 center, 124.87.
487, Southwest 1766.
United 295, contact 4 center, 132.97, 3297.
3297, United 495, see ya.
Okay.
I'm sorry, 295, see ya.
Good day.
Alright. Here's our fourth flight. And if you look at the difference between ForeFlight, which is your ABSN, your NexRad, which is coming from XM, we're pretty close to wherever this stuff is. And again,
2263, clear
outside
bridge.
air temperature is negative 22 degrees. So we want to make sure that we're not picking up any ice on the wings. So going back to radar.
American 2263, maintain 300 knots or greater.
We have a couple targets around us. You have a target that is 400 feet above us and descending, and you have a target that's 1,000 feet below us and stable. Okay, we're getting some frost on the windows, so we're going to hit our defrost.
Rocket 51, ready to contact.
Okay, we're currently inbound to the RNAV initial approach fix bus rate. We'll just take a flight and go to Jack Edwards. We're currently over Mobile Bay in front of us.
332. Jet 180 and descend to maintain 3000.
Okay, you were stepped on.
That's for Meridian 46 Charlie heading 180, descend to maintain 3000.
180, 3000, 464.
Somebody else checked on. Who was that?
We got November 2873 X-ray.
November 2873 X-ray, roger, state your position.
We're checking our way at 7,000.
Roger, stand by.
And Mobile, just to confirm, 464 Charlie was 180, correct?
46 Charlie, affirmative. Get you underneath some traffic. I'll be back on course to Buster here in just a second.
Yes, sir, not a problem.
November 2873 Charlie, Mobile approach. Good morning, 910 2996.
Okay, we're going to turn on our pulse lights so people can see us. Make our wings with LEDs. Got
November 46 Charlie, leaving 6000. Go back direct to Buster.
Okay, leaving 6000 and then direct to Verser 464.
Rocket 61.
Okay, manual. Might as well turn our landing light on.
Check Edwards traffic, Meridian 464 Charlie, straight in, runway 9, 8 mile final.
Okay, approach is alive. Hey, baby.
Hey, honey, I could have just kept on sleeping.
I know you were sleeping. Hey, Bo. Hey, we are in gear range.
And I've been out the whole time.
I know. Okay, gear coming down. First notch of flaps.
Alexander City Airport, jet card 474. Do you copy? Russell Unicom, jet card 474, do you copy? Jack over traffic, Meridian 8 miles final, safe position?
Yes, sir, I just went feet dry. I'm on a 5 mile final for runway 9. I'm lit up, you ought to be able to see me.
Roger, we're behind you, about 7 miles final, runway 9.
Okay, I'm passing through 1,000 feet, 3 mile final.
Okay, great. I think we got you in sight.
I'll be out of your way.
Hey, let's disconnect autopilot.
500.
Full flaps. Autopilot disconnect.
Autopilot disconnect.
We have 3 greens. We are depressurized. Manual, and we're lit up like a Christmas tree. A little gusty. So, what do we have to do? Are we going straight to the house?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, how much I love going to Walmart.
I was gonna do that by myself.
Thank you.
I gotta take an inventory of what we have. We felt a little sideways.
A little gusty. Alright, off, out.
Echo traffic, Cessna 346 Echo, 3 mile final for Niner. Echo traffic.
Check over traffic. Meridian 464 Charlie is clearly active.
Are they trying to get new business?
I guess so.
No, they were open. Okay.
That's just kind of sad.
Kind of cutthroat. We got a letter once from the other one over here. I tried it once, but yeah, got a car over here. They got free food. Got an Xbox. You could leave me here all day. It'll be hard to compete with that.
I mean, we could check it out.
Well, the last time, and these people take our fuel card.
Echo traffic, Cessna 46 Echo, 2 mile final for Niner. Echo traffic.
I like their pink shirts.
But they're real excited about them.
Like them.
Alright, off. It'll get hot in here.